so now we are at Premier Food Republic, Pan Square. Want to take our dinner, lunch. Person order this one just now. Roasted chicken rice from the Chinese barbecue stall there. My one just now is clay pot mee. Yeah, just now be?
Mixed pork soup.
Mixed pork soup. There. Oh, this one is kolomi and meat and soup.
Yeah. They're not Malay.
It's not Malay. That's right there. From the mixed pork stall, guys. Mixed pork and seafood meat stall there. Okay, guys. Lanjut makan deh. Lanjut makan deh. Hello guys, so welcome back to my cooking channel. So now I'm going to cook ayam masak kunyit with long bean and potato. Already marinate the chicken with the turmeric just now. Now goreng first round. Wet until crispy. Coating with tepung bestari and turmeric powder.
See the one.
Ada like KFC ya?
The one before fried it, the one.
But this one got turmeric there. What call it? Kunyit. Not kunyit.
Oh, because nice smell. That's what
Okay.
the smell from there.
Nice smell. Hungry ya? Let's go in, okay? Okay guys.
Okay, guys.
Okay guys, there.
Oh, this one.
Sure. Mommy want to make it crispy there. Okay guys, first round is ready. There. Okay, second round.
long bean, this one.
What is that?
Bawang and tomato.
Potato.
Potato. Mixed potato.
Potato. I love you. Okay guys, the second one is already. Now I'm going to fry the potato. Then use the same oil. Okay guys, this one not need too long. Ready. Okay guys, stir fry the bawang bakung. Okay guys, stir fry the bawang bakung.
Kami di kanan Pop Ranger.
Put in the long bean. Put in the potato. Put in the chicken.
The purple color is master fighter.
Master fighter.
The one the purple color top, the one is master fighter.
Put salt and lagi. put white pepper. Guys, cook already. Our simple dinner is ready. Chicken fried with turmeric, with long bean and potato. Okay guys, lanjut makan.